Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take care of Renanthera, and you can grow your banda also this way. You can see the way I cut the plants. You keep 2 or 3 roots on top the plants, then you cut. Bottom part you must keep. Don't throw the bottom part. You can see I keep 1, 2 roots, then I cut way here. You can see the way I cut. So you can see I cut all the Renanthera, just cut only. Because I keep the plants, I wait for the next next baby. So bottom part you don't throw your plants. You can see after I cut, after you cut the kikis, the baby will come out this way. You can see the plants all I cut because these plants are too long already. This plant I planted with the charcoal. You can see the kikis, they come out, the 2 kikis. This is the Renanthera hybrid, the Renanthera calcium. You can see where I cut. So you can see all the plants I planted with the charcoal. So now plants are too long, so that's why I cut and I hang the plants. You can see after I cut the plants, the kiki come out. All the baby will come out after you cut the plants. You can see the way the baby come out. And I will update you how to care the kikis about the Renanthera venda, so you can grow your orchid. Actually orchid is not so tough. People are talking so much about the media. Actually without media also can grow the orchid if you know how to manage your water and avoid the direct sunlight. You can see the kiki, you can see the plants. No media. These plants I water twice a day. You can see the kiki, all the kiki came out after I cut. Within 3 weeks the new baby will come, and after you take care this kiki, this baby will be a very nice orchid also. You can see the kiki, and when you want to replant, so you just pull or you can cut. You can see all the plant I cut away. I will bring to other place for hang. You can see all the plants I just cut, and I will hang the plants with the wire only. No media. There is no media, no charcoal, no stone, no sawdust, nothing, because plants are too matured already. Before I plant, I cut all the flower. You can see the way I hang the plants. You can see no media. You can see the way I hang. I stuck with the roots. I bend the wire and I hook up. You can see the way I. Now no flower because all the flower I cut away. I will update you another 2 weeks. Then the flower will, when the flower start with flower blooming. So you can see, look at my plants. Plants are healthy also. You can see the way I hang the plants. So you must know how to manage your watering only, and please avoid the direct sunlight. if you need more flower, you can keep the plants in the brighter place so you will get more flower. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and now I'm going to show you after I planted. They are flowering already. You can see no media, but still can flower. I hang. So I will update you all my orchid care. If you think that my channel will helps you to grow your orchid or any other plants, so please subscribe my channel for more tutorial video and all the orchid care. And actually orchid is not so difficult to grow. See you again.